everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card for bigbazAR. If you'd like to buy a product and while checking out you want to use your gift card as an option for your payment, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in redeem bigbazAR gift card and press enter. From the search results displayed on the next page, go ahead and click on this bigbazAR gift vouchers and bigbazAR gift cards link at the top. Now simply go ahead and choose a product that you'd like to shop. You can choose from the top category. Pick a product that you'd like to buy, but before doing that, make sure you're logged into your account. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the account button and click on the sign in button in order to log into your account. Enter your email ID and then your password to log in. Once you are done, go ahead and select a product that you'd like to buy. Let me go ahead and buy one of the products over here. Let me click on add to cart to add the product on your shopping cart. Now, tap on continue to shopping if you'd like to shop for more, or if you'd like to check out, click on view cart. On the next page where you can see your cart contents, go ahead and make any kind of a change if you want, and right where it says gift certificates or promo code, type in a gift code in the text box. After you're done, click on apply and you'll be able to redeem your gift card on bigbazAR. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.